First of all, what is cognition? Cognition has to do with how a person understands and acts in the world. It is a set of abilities or processes that are part of nearly every human action. Cognitive abilities are brain-based skills we need to carry out any task from the simplest to the most complex. They have more to do with the mechanisms of how we learn, remember and pay attention, rather than with any actual knowledge. For instance, answering the telephone involves at least perception, hearing the ringtone, decision-taking, answering or not, motor skill, lifting the receiver, language skills, talking and understanding language, and social skills, interpreting tone of voice and interacting properly with another human being. Mental functions or cognitive abilities are based on specific neuronal networks. For instance, memory skills rely mainly on parts of the temporal lobes and parts of the frontal lobes behind the forehead. Let's browse through the main brain functions involved in cognition, and for each topic, SUBCRIBE will explore together with you in greater depth in the subsequent videos. 1. Perception. The recognition and interpretation of sensory stimuli, such as smell, touch, hearing, etc. 2. Attention. The ability to sustain concentration on a particular object, action, or thought, and to manage competing demands in our environment. 3. Memory. Short-term or working memory, limited storage, and long-term memory, unlimited storage. 4. Motor. The ability to mobilize our muscles and bodies and to manipulate objects. 5. Language. The skills allowing us to translate sounds into words and generate verbal output. 6. Visual and spatial processing. The ability to process incoming visual stimuli, understand spatial relationship between objects and visualize images and scenarios. And 7. Executive functions. The abilities that enable goal-oriented behavior, such as the ability to plan and execute a goal,